Today, yesterday, we are discussing about USO BX and USO BT. Uh, let's we practice in SAP system, how it will be in real time, and we will check. I will be there. Okay. Execute transaction code SC16N. Give the name USOBX. Table name, this is table name USOBX underscore C, and click on F8. See, total 5,81,934 objects are there, entries are there. Okay, so we will go to back, and here we have for example, we will check with SU01 transaction code what are all the objects. Okay, so for this we have 53 objects. Total number of objects are SU01 is 53. So how many in this, how many objects are maintained? The proposed value keep y. Okay, we will check it. So before going to check, and we have to know these things. If the value is n, no authorization check, it means no authorization check. If the value is maintained as x, authorization check takes place. If the value is u, not maintained, and if the value is maintained as y, authorization check takes place. Default values in USOBT not maintained. These are the meanings of all these four. Okay, so let's we check how many objects are proposed value s. Okay, and let's we set filter for this. Keep the value y. So because proposed value y only, these 13 objects will pull from here to PFCG when we create a role. This is the exact meaning of USOBX underscore C. Okay, these are the 13 different authorization objects. These objects full from here to when we create a role, PFCG role. Okay, so sorry, let's we check how USOBT underscore C. The total number of entries are 2,90,375. These are the, if you check SU01 transaction code, then F8. See, we have only these those values maintained as y. Those 13 objects are appeared here, but the difference is fields and field values. For this object, b underscore ale underscore modl has two field names. Okay, for this these objects is appearing as two times twice, and phi underscore ap has two field names, that's why it's appear as twice. S underscore address one has, these are the different field names and activities are there, so that's why it's different, it's appearing as multiple times. So the main difference is the relation of fields and field values which related to object authorization objects is telling the ESOBT underscore C table. These are the maintained authorization objects. The proposed value kept as y, those values are appearing, and the one each object has how many fields and field values are there is appearing. This is the main difference between USOBX and USOBT. So only those 13 objects only appearing, and the only difference is the field names and field values. This is the main difference of USOBX and USOBT. So for better understanding, USOBX means once we create a role in PFCG transaction, through PFCG transaction, it will check in USOBX table. If the proposed value is S, those objects are pulled from their this table to PFCG role. Okay, the clear, I think. And USOBT means for those authorization objects, what are all the fields and fields and field values are maintained, those will appear in USOBT underscore C table. Okay, I hope you understand. mm, uh, Thank you. Remaining things we will discuss in next class. Thank you.